Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. This is my project, and this is actually a menu, delay menu. With these two buttons I will select delay for this LED, and here this is 7 segment 2 digit 7 segment display. uh, I made it on breadboard without use of any shift register. I'm not going to give tutorial in this video, and not neither in this video nor in future. Maybe I'll put it on instructable or somewhere else. If I do, I will put the link in description, but for now this is just a demo video, so let's quick go through it. Here, this I'm going to select. So I have three options. First is 10-second delay. Here 10 microsecond, I guess it's 10 microseconds. So if you can see here, 10, and this is 20. Here it is 20, and now it's 50. So this is 50, and if I want to select this or any other option, then I will use this push button here. Now LED is blinking with 50 seconds, 50 microsecond of delay. If I want to change it, I will simply change the option. It is 10 now. LED blink, 10 microsecond delay, 20 microseconds, and here it is 20, and here delay is 20 microseconds. So this was made possible with the help of Arduino, I guess the name of tutorial or website. So I followed that tutorial for this 7 segment display, and then I modified this code to work it with my setup, and here is it now working. I hope you will like it, and see you in next video.